Hello friends, it's Danny here, and today I'm back with we're going to put together another card using the Crafty Stamp Co. Crafty Crew Kit for November 2025. I have an unboxing, and I made this cute hot cocoa pocket, but I also made just a little card insert to go into it. They are on my channel in the description box below. I will have a link to a playlist on my channel, and as well as a playlist to the Crafty Stamp Co. for all the inspiration for this kit. If you didn't see those, the short of the condensed version is you can pre-order the kit from October 1st through the 15th, 2025, and it ships November 5th, 2025. It may or may not come back, so if you love it as much as I do, get your pre-order in. It is just adorable. Love this kit. I hope to do several more things with it. Excuse me. And let's get on to it. Today I used the Fall Weather Meadow stamp set. You can see me color her up in a little short video here on my channel. I'll have the link to that in the description box as well. And we're also going to use this sentiment. I also used the stencil that comes in the kit. It's lots of knits. I will put up a little video of me stenciling here in a second. And I did use one piece of paper from the Fall Weather paper. This paper is gorgeous. I can't wait to use it more. So now I'm going to pop on that stenciling video, and then we'll come back and put the rest of it together. Okay, I am back. I have everything cut out and ready to go. This is going to be a pretty basic, I guess simple card. You can see how pretty that stenciling came out. I love the different colors. I still have a little bit saved that I can use in another card, a little bit from the back paper I can use. If you've never watched any of my videos, I like to kind of lay it out beforehand, and then I always start from the inside and work to the front, so we'll get to that in a minute. First, we need to stamp that sentiment. I already cut the circle out for that. Let me grab out my little mini Misty here. Again, I apologize for the glare. I use just a little bit of, I think this is Tailored Expressions tape, but just to hold it in place. And then this one is going to say, happiness is a hot mug on a chilly day. So we're going to get that on there. I am going to use my magnets just because sometimes that tape doesn't hold it quite sturdy, especially like this is a new stamp set that I haven't really stamped it up, so it likes to stick. I do have some ink in the same color as the card base. So let's go ahead and get that stamped. Oh, first time around and we got it going good there. Let me just wipe off my mini Misty. I have a little bit OCD when it comes to crafting. I like things to be clean and neat. I also will need to clean my stamp real quick because it bothers me to put it away when it's not been cleaned. Bear with all the things here. So tell me in the description box below, do you have to clean things as you go, or do you clean them afterwards? I know I'm kind of a rare duck. I know most people that I know, they just kind of put it to the side and deal with it later, but I just can't do that. So there we go. That tape really wants to stick to me. All right, so now we can get to putting the card together. Just a simple 4 1/4 by 11 card base. I'm gonna score it at 5 1/2. I like top folding cards. So there we go, easy peasy. And then normally I would stamp my stamp that I have that says Danny's Dreams on the back of it, but I don't know, I didn't get it out for this. I remember when I first got into card making, someone told me to always be proud of your cards, your art, so I always put that on. I will put it on after we are done. I also use dry and liquid adhesive. So again, we're starting on the inside. I always do something to the inside, whether it's just adding a piece of white cardstock and some pattern paper, or sometimes some ephemera, or stamp the image. Something, I just think it finishes off the card. I like the card, like how it looks when they open up, and it's just like a continuation of the outside. So we're going to just put that there. And then I do have some strips I already have cut out from that pattern paper and the stenciled piece. All right, I'm just gonna put those right here. Oop. It's a good thing about using liquid adhesive too. You're able to move it a little bit if you mess it up. This is so thin. I think I'm just gonna use the liquid adhesive on this, which I use Barely Art glue. Just gonna put that right in the middle there a little bit. And there, our inside is done. Now we can do the front. Again, I already have everything cut out just to save some time. This is a pretty, like I said, basic, not simple, but kind of simple card. I really like how the stencil works so well with this kit. You can do so many things with that stencil. It'd be pretty in so many different colors. I can't wait to play with it some more. All right. Get this piece down, and it moved a little. There we go. Isn't that pretty? I mean, for a basic, like, neutral color, well, not neutral, but like it doesn't have a lot of patterns, it's still just really pretty on its own there. Then we're going to bring in that stenciled piece, which I still just love how it turned out. All right. I thought about doing like an arch or a circle behind her, but I wanted to show more of the stenciling, so I went with a rectangle. But yeah, you could use any color or any shape you wanted. There's that. Next, I'm going to put on the sentiment, because then I want to kind of position her on top of it. So we're going to put that sentiment on next. My tape gun's acting kind of wonky, so I'm glad I use both adhesives. And I want it right there. Happiness is a hot mug on a chilly day. And then we'll add Fall Weather Meadow. And then easy peasy, we're done and have a beautiful card. I'm telling you, I absolutely love this kit. I can't wait to play with it more. I have lots of ideas, all the things, all the things. Again, pre-order is open until October 15th, so get those orders in. I think I want her right there. And then I didn't grab them out, but before I take pictures, I might add a few embellishments just to kind of add some bling, but otherwise she is done. Beautiful card, carries it through to the inside. I love it. Can't wait to come back and share more. Until then, like I said, everything is in the description box. You can watch me color her, the playlist, the link to go pre-order yours. You only have until the 15th of October. Get those pre-orders in, and then it'll ship out to you on November 5th. If you sign up to be a subscriber, you get that pretty ribbon, and then you get a kit automatically every 2 months, which is fabulous. All right, thanks so much for stopping by. Until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye now.